my guy Cleo here. This man put semi-slicks on the whip, 23 PSI, fully, you mind if I open the door?
Sure.
Fully gutted his car, bro, just for this race, bro. And says it's just for the love of the game, bro.
It is.
Just for the love of the game.
Cap.
So what exactly is done to the car?
Well, I just took all the seats out, I took the axle back out, and I turned off VCM, changed my VTEC parameters, changed auto response so I don't have any rev hang.
Okay. Transmission tune thing you were talking about?
That's just the torque tables. It doesn't really do much. It's just more clamp force. That's about it.
And then we have Ezra. That's the stock S2000, man. Stock.
Nigga, you said you had a header back.
Yeah, header back exhaust.
Yeah, and that's not stock.
And a base mat, bro. It's a Honda base mat. Okay, that don't sound bad. It don't sound bad.